Hello, everyone.
Today we are discussing graphic theory, BCS405B, from each module top 3 question. Module 1. Module 2. Module 3. Module 4. Module 5. We discussed top 3 questions from each module, but there is a one problem. There will be, comes more because of that. We made a set B, like in set A. The question will become 1, A, 1B, 1C. In set B, the 2A, 2B, 2C. The set A is odd number, and set B is even number. Module 2. Module 3. Module 4. Module 5.
You can take screenshot. You can take screenshot. You can take screenshot. You can take screenshot.
Still scrolling? No real skills? Meet Talent Connect. This is Talent Connect. Learn new skills, do real work, and get paid. Join the platform today and start earning. Real work, real learning. Learn, work, earn. Link in bio.